Hi, I'm Nathalie BABBAGE. I work for KANTAR WorldPANEL, which is a global research company, and my role is a global LinkQ, which is around understanding attitudes and linking it to purchasing. I'm at the summit today because I did a global report called Who Cares, Who Does? And it's about understanding consumer attitudes towards plastic waste in consumer goods industry. So really relevant for sustainability and home care.
And what were the key points of your presentation?
So the key points of my presentation were, one, consumers really do care about sustainability issues, so climate change, plastic waste, and water-related issues particularly. However, they are not taking many actions for change. When we ask them about very simple steps, such as taking a cloth shopping bag, avoiding drinks bottles, and taking reusable cups, in a lot of cases, very few, less than half consumers are doing that. And also we found that they think that manufacturers should primarily be responsible for the change, and only 12% of them can name any manufacturer. So there's a lot of opportunity for home care manufacturers to step up, to have more products available, have them at a fair price point, so no price premium, and to communicate their actions a lot better because there's very limited cut through to consumers with what they're doing.
That's amazing. Were there any topics during the summit that you found interesting in particular?
I found some of the presentations around the different impacts very interesting. As a manufacturer, there's a whole supply chain, so there's scope 1, scope 2, scope 3, and they really need to think about all of those elements to be a sustainable manufacturer. And I think the summit did a really good job of covering the ingredients and how that could be improved, about the potential business costs and how to manage that, but also the consumer usage of the product, and really think about how we can use less water with laundry products and how can we enable consumers to use them in a way that wastes less energy.